Alright, Ted, here's your 427 small block Ford. Give you a description of this combination. It's got a set of our CNC heads on it, custom grind hydraulic roller, Edelbrock manifold, fuel managed, all Terminator X. Got the Moroso front sump. That's all later on there. Going to make a run, see what she does. Stay tuned. Okie doke, 3,400 or 513 foot-pounds of torque, peak torque 542, peak horsepower 548. So rated at 520, so everything's good. It's got a front end on it. What we'll do now is pull the pipes back, make sure it's good and clean. Show you a couple things here. When you see green, find this thing looks like a credit card. It's a USB card. It is full of technical information. In a crate will be the spec sheet. Highly recommend reading it, and have a great day.